So here's how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, now here you have to go to the post from which you want to delete the picture. Now you have to click on the three dots at the top of the post, and once you click on it, now it will open this menu. Now from here you have to click on the edit option, and once you click on it, now you will be able to edit the post. Then from here you have to scroll to the right or the left to find the picture that you want to delete, and then click on the bin icon at the top left corner of the picture. Once you click on it, now it will pop up this menu. From here you have to select the delete option to delete the picture. As I don't want to delete the picture, so I don't select this option. If you want to delete the picture, you have to select this option in order to delete the picture. After that, your picture will be deleted. So that's how to delete one picture from multiple pictures on Instagram.